garlic and herb butter lamb chops, baby. These are juicy, these are flavorful, these are amazing, and they are so easy to make. And you know I'm about to show you how it's done. Let's not waste any time and get right on into the recipe. Let go. So you are gonna begin with about 1 pound of some lamb chops. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil and give them a nice luxurious massage as we always do. And you know, we gotta season it up proper on the screen. I have everything listed to do so, and it will be down in the description box for you to reference to as well. And you really want to make sure these lamb chops are well coated up just like so. And once they are, it is time to get them sizzling in that hot pan. You want to go ahead and get your heat to about a medium high and drizzle some oil right into that pan, and we're going to drop them lamb chops in to get a nice beautiful sear. You want to let them go for about 2.5 minutes each side. You want to make sure you have a nice beautiful crust. Don't be scared to kind of peek at it and make sure you are not burning. And you're going to go ahead and give it a flip like I said, and let that other side cook for that same amount of time. Once both sides are beautiful, you're gonna lower down your heat. You're gonna toss in your butter. You want that to melt down. Not only butter, we're tossing in some garlic, shallots, rosemary, and thyme. And you wanna grab a spoon and you wanna baste these bad boys until they reach your desired temperature. Everybody loves their lamb chops cooked to a different temperature. Some people like it medium, medium well done. The choice is yours, so the cook time will vary. Obviously, if you like yours well done and super dry, just kidding, don't get offended. I know some people really like their stuff well done, but you would obviously cook it for more time depending on how you like your lamb chops. I like mine closer to about a medium to medium well, so I cook mine accordingly. You just want to baste it just like so. And once it's to your desired temp, you're gonna go ahead and remove them from the pan. Let them rest on a wire rack. While they're on the wire rack, I also toss on, you know, the rosemary, the garlic, the shallots, all that from the pan. I toss them on top of our lamb chops while it's resting to just soak in a little bit more of that flavor until I'm ready to plate up. And this is pretty much your end result right here. So beautiful, so amazing, so delicious, so flavorful. You know what I'm saying? This right here is gonna really impress whoever that you choose to make it for. Even if you choose to make it for yourself only, you're gonna knock your own socks off. Please believe me. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. I would really appreciate you if you hit me with a like, comment down below. Let me know what you think about today's video, and I'll be sure to see you all on the next one. Deuces.